Why does your scanner show the P2201 engine code? What does it mean? P2201 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx Sensor Circuit Range or Performance Bank 1. It indicates that the nitrogen oxide sensor circuit is out of range or has a performance issue. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty sensor, wiring and connector issues, excessive soot buildup, engine control module issues, exhaust system leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Volkswagen, Nissan, Mercedes, Audi, Dodge, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.